McCotton's Barbecue. Hi, Pepper. What a good puppy. Look how good he is. Look. What a good puppy. We love you. A shake. You're a good doggy. I bet I know what you want. Popeyes fried chicken. Do you want chicken? Look at you. It's almost dinner time. You're a good doggy. What a good dog. And look what I have. Lemmy. He just lays over. Hi, buddy. I'm gonna pet his belly. Look at you. Oh yeah. What a good doggy. He's not amused. He wants chicken. Don't let anybody tell you that Popeye's fried chicken is not good. Love that chicken from Popeyes. World famous since 1972. Mild. I got mild. I get the spicy, but it's a little too spicy sometimes. And it's kind of hot. So it kind of ruins the chicken flavor. I mean, I like it a lot. But if I just want fried chicken, I get the mild. Just get regular mild. Don't get the spicy. If you really like spicy, get spicy. If you like just regular fried chicken, get fried chicken. Because Popeyes, I think it's better than KFC. KFC puts a chemical in it. Look at that chicken. Biscuits are buttery. 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 These biscuits are so buttery and crispy. It's incredible. I'm going to take a bite. Taste test. Mm. Mm. Melts in your mouth. Buttery biscuit. Popeyes. Go get some. So what I got is thighs and a drumstick. I ate my drumstick. I gave one to Laura. I got 3 thighs. I gave 1 thigh to her. I'm going to do a taste test. Thigh, McCotton's Barbecue from Popeyes. Here we go. Look at this. That's the most delicious chicken wing I've ever had. Look at this. Crispy, crispy, crunchy. I love Popeyes. It's better than KFC. I got to admit it. I love KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Since I was born, 1968, we had it in the house. The best flavor ever. Right now, Popeyes. Popeye. Okay. Peace, love, and aloha. Bon appetit. You want a piece? You know dogs love chicken. I won't leave you guys hanging. I'm going to give them a piece. All right? Here we go. What a good puppy. Here we go to Lemmy. Hi, buddy. You like that? He wants the whole thing. McCut's Barbecue. Peace, love, aloha, bruh. Rock and roll.